As you know, dear student, good morning. Yeah, we already discussed your first exercise. Now, today we start to second. We will find some other things of this angles, lines and angles. Lines, angles formed by a transversal. Angles formed by a transversal. Let here AB and CD is two lines and L is the intersected these two lines. This one is a transversal line L. Then the following angles are formed. Clear? यहाँ पे ये कहा जा रहा है कि C और D दो लाइंस हैं और लाइन L क्या कर रही है, इसको इंटरसेक्ट कर रही है. इसी लाइन L को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Transversal line. Clear? So this transversal line make a different angles. Clear? Look that this one is let here this one is angle 1, this one is angle 2. Clear? Now angle 3, and this one is angle 4. Clear? And now look that here angle 5, angle 6, angle 7 and angle 8. Clear? Now so here, and what is the relation of here is find the first one here. What is here? Corresponding angle. What angles? Corresponding angle. Can identify here the corresponding angles. Corresponding angle of these two angles, angle 1 and angle 5. Look here, angle 1, this one, and angle 5, angle 1, angle 5. Next, angle 1, angle 5, angle 2, angle 6. Angle 2, this one, angle 2, angle 6. This one is the corresponding angle 1, angle 5, angle 2, angle 6, angle 3, angle 8, angle 3, angle 8, and angle 4, angle 7, angle 4 or angle 7. Yeah? Angle 1, angle 5, angle 1, angle 5. These are the corresponding angles. Angle 2, angle 6, angle 2, angle 6 corresponding angles. Clear? Angle 3, angle 8 is corresponding angle. Angle 4, angle 7 is the corresponding angles. This point is clear. Now find the other angles of this transversal line. What are the angles? Look that here. Second one is find here alternate interior angles. Alternate interior interior angles. Interior angles क्या हमें फाइंड करना है? Alternate interior angles. तो look that alternate interior angles, angle 3 and angle 6. Look that angle 3, this one, angle 3 and angle 6. this one and this. So angle 3, angle 6 is alternate interior angles. Angle 4 or angle 5. Angle 4, angle 4 and angle 5. This one is alternate. Clear? Alternate interior angles. Clear? Under root angle 3, angle 6, angle 4 and angle 5. These are the alternate interior angles. देख रहे हैं ना? ये alternate है. This one 3 and 6, 4 and 5. Now find the alternate exterior angle. Next one is third one is a alternate which one? Exterior angle. Alternate exterior angle. What find here? Alternate exterior angle. Clear? The alternate exterior angles. Here is the alternate exterior angles. Angle 1. Here, look that. Angle 1 and angle 7. Angle 1, angle 7. This one is alternate exterior angle. And angle 2 and angle 8. Angle 2 and angle 8 is alternate exterior angle. This one is clear. Interior angles 3, 6, 4, 5. It's alternate exterior angles. Alternate exterior angles. Which one is the exterior angles here? Angle 1, angle 7, angle 2, angle 8. Clear? Now we discuss next point of this here. What we will find here? Look that here. Clear? Next is here alternate angle on the same side. Alternate interior angles on the same side. Fourth is interior angles on the same side. Alternate interior angles on the same side. Transversal ठीक सेम साइड ट्रांसवर्सल और को इंटीरियर एंगल्स और इसे आप क्या कह सकते हैं को इंटीरियर एंगल्स क्लियर interior angles on the same side of the transversal or say that co-interior angles. Now here we see the co-interior angles. So look that angle 3 and angle 5. Angle 3 and angle 5. This one is the co-interior angles. Angle 3 and angle 5 is the co-interior angles. And angle 4 and angle 3 and 5, angle 4 and 6, and angle 4 and angle 6. These are the co-interior angles. Angle 3, angle 5, angle 4 and angle 6, the co-interior angles of a transversal of two lines. Clear? Now discuss next point of this. Now related to this lines and angles. Axioms here. Here is an axiom here. If a transversal intersect two parallel lines, then each pair of corresponding angles. Clear? Here is the axioms here given. if a transversal intersects two parallel lines. Here is the two parallel lines AB and CD, and this one is a transversal line intersect. Clear? In parallel lines, then each pair of corresponding angle is equal. जितने भी करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल होंगे, अगर टू लाइंस हैं, पैरेलल लाइंस हैं और कोई ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन कर रही है, तो उससे बनने वाले जितने भी करस्पॉन्डिंग पेयर ऑफ करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स हैं, दे आर इक्वल. नाउ लुक दैट हियर एंगल 1 एंड एंगल 5. एंगल 1 एंड एंगल 5, लुक दैट हियर एंगल 1 and angle 5. Angle 1 is equal to angle 5. This one is the corresponding angle, angle 1 and angle 5. AB is the parallel lines, L is the transversal, so 1 and angle 1 and angle 5 is corresponding angle. So these two corresponding angle, angle 1 and angle 5 are equal. Clear? Angle 4 and angle 8. Angle 4 and angle 8. This one is also a corresponding angle. Angle 4 is equal to angle 8. Clear? And next one, corresponding angles here. Angle 2 and angle 6. Angle 2 is equal to angle 6. And next one is angle 3 and angle 7. Angle 3 and angle is equal to angle 7. Clear? These are the corresponding angles. These are the corresponding angles. Which one is a corresponding angles are equal? What is condition here? AB line and CD line are the parallels and line L is a transversal. In that condition, जब A, B और CD line क्या हो? Parallel हो. You know that parallel? Clear? तो parallel हो और L क्या कर रहा है उसमें? Transversal line है. तो ऐसी condition में, ठीक है, जो भी corresponding angles होंगे वो क्या होंगे? Equal होंगे. Angle 1, angle 5. Clear? Angle 1 and angle 5 equal, angle 4 and angle 8 equal. Clear? Angle 2, angle 6 equal, angle 3 equal to angle 7. Clear? Now we discuss another axis. Look here. Axis here given that if a transversal intersect two lines is that pair of corresponding angle is equal, then the lines are parallel. यहाँ पे वही कंडीशन कह रहा है कि two lines, line A, B and CD are the parallel lines. Clear? If transversal intersect two lines, here is this one is the transversal line and intersect two parallel lines. Clear? Pair of parallel lines such that a pair of corresponding angle, this one is a and this one is angle 1 and angle 2. Angle 1 and angle 2 are the corresponding angles. Clear? Corresponding angle is equal, then the lines are parallel. जब lines parallel होंगी तो ये क्या होंगे? Equal. So we know we write this one is angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Clear? Now कब होंगी? AB parallel to CD. Conditions क्या होंगी? AB parallel to CD. This one is clear. Now we discuss some theorems related of this exercise this point, we know here is the first theorem is, now your theorem here is given, your theorem is here, if a transversal, here is given your theorem, if a transversal intersects two parallel lines, the each pair of alternate interior angles are equal. क्या कह रहा है यहाँ पे, अगर कोई ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन है, ठीक है, वो इंटरसेक्ट कर रही कैसी, टू पैरेलल लाइंस को, द ईच पेयर ऑफ alternate interior angles are equal. Not discuss here. Now draw the first we have the figure right here. A B and C D. A B and C D, two parallel lines, and the line L intersect here. If a transversal intersect two parallel lines, so L is a transversal line, AB and CD is a parallel lines, then क्या कह रहे हैं आपसे, the each pair of alternate interior angles, so each pair of alternate interior angles, so let that this point here is, this one is a C D E, this one is the point E, and this point is F. Now take here the angles, angle 1, angle 2, clear, angle 3, this one is angle 3, and this one is angle 4. Similar here, let here angle 5, angle 6, angle 7, angle 8. Clear? Can you take this one? Now, first one here is given that. What we get here? Given that. What is given here? AB and CD. AB and CD are parallel lines. AB parallel to CD. Clear? AB parallel to CD, and L is the transversal. L is a transversal line. Where L is a transversal line. Now, to prove, next point is here, to prove what get here is a to prove is here, what we get here, angle 3 and angle 5, alternate interior angles, angle 4 and angle 6 are alternate interior, both angle 3 and equal to angle 5 prove करना है, angle 3 is equal to angle 5 and angle 4 is equal to angle 6. These are alternate interior angles. तो according to the theorem के according हमें यही prove करना है. Clear? Now, let's hear the proof here. Proof what we get here. First one, look that angle 1 and angle 3. Angle 1 and angle 3. What is the relation these two angles? Angle 1 and angle 3. Both are vertically opposite angles. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Vertically opposite angles. Clear? This one is clear. Let this one is, take this one is the equation first. And what is the relation between angle 1 and 5? Angle 1 and 5. So these are the parallel lines. So angle 1 and angle 5 is corresponding angles. So angle 1 and angle 5 is also equal. Now look here. Angle 1 is equal to angle 5. Why? These are the corresponding angle. Which one is corresponding angles? This one is equation second. Clear? Now here is angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3 and angle 1 is equal to angle 5. So from equation first and second. So from equation first and second. From equation first and second. तो आप देखिए फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड एंगल 1 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 3 एंगल 1 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 5 तो से दैट एंगल 3 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 5 एंगल 3 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 5 what we prove here angle 3 is equal to angle 5 this one is the proof here angle 3 is equal to angle 5 now take here is the angle 4 this one is the angle 4 is equal to angle 2 angle 4 is equal to angle 2 next point is angle 4 is equal to angle 2 so this one also is a vertically opposite angles so this equation is third then next similar what we write here think about this anything angle 2 and angle 6 angle 2 and angle 6 are equal these are corresponding angles angle 2 is equal to angle 6 क्यों है कि AB पैरेलल है अभी एग्जाम्स में हमने देखा अगर दो पैरेलल लाइंस हैं और कोई ट्रांसवर्सल है तो उसकी कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स क्या होते हैं इक्वल तो दिस वन इज द कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल this one is the fourth from equation third and fourth from equation third and fourth so third and fourth so look at third and fourth angle 4 is equal to angle 4 is equal to angle 6 this one is the proof here clear so your theorem is here hence proved clear have a doubt okay now see the look at next theorem of this exercise now your next theorem here given that here is the theorem here if a transversal intersect two lines such that a pair of alternate interior angles is equal then the two lines are parallel here is given that if a transversal intersect two lines such that a pair of alternate interior angles is equal यहाँ पे कह रहा है कि अगर अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर्स एंगल इक्वल हो रहे हैं तो देन प्रूव दैट हमें ये प्रूव क्या हो जाता है कि लाइंस आर पैरेलल क्लियर तो here we already take here this is two lines AB and CD two lines take here A B C D two lines and here is a transversal line L. Transversal line L. Clear? So what say? If a transversal intersect two lines, transversal intersect two lines such that a pair of alternate interior angles is equal, then prove that this one is alternate and this one is the alternate interior angles. If alternate interior angles are equal, then say that A, B line and CD line are parallel lines. To look that here is given that first one here is given look here, angle 1, angle 2, this one is angle 1, right here is 2, and this one is angle here is angle 3. Clear? And these 2 points, this one is the F and this one is the E. Clear? Now here is given that, first we write here is given that here, what is given here? Can say A, B and C, D are two lines. A, B and C, D. A, B and C, D are two lines and L is a intersecting line. Clear? Intersecting lines. Clear? What we prove here? To prove, right here right now. To prove here, what we get here, what we prove here, angle AB parallel to CD. What prove here? AB parallel to CD. और AB parallel to CD कब होंगे? जब alternate interior angles क्या होंगे? Equal होंगे. Clear? तो AB parallel to CD. Now here is your proof. Proof here. Now look that here. Angle 2 and angle 1, angle 3 and angle 2 and angle 3. First one is look that angle 2 and angle 3. Angle 2 and angle 3. Clear? So here is given that angle 1 and angle 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 1 and angle 2 is a vertically opposite angles. Angle 1 and angle 2 is a vertically opposite angles. Clear? And angle 1 and angle 3 is a corresponding angles. Angle 3 and angle 1 is the corresponding angle. Clear? Angle 1 and angle 3. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3. These are the corresponding angle. Clear? From equation, if this one is equation first and this one is equation second, from equation first and second, we say that from equation first and second, we get here angle 2 is equal to angle 3. Angle 2 and angle 3 are alternate interior angles and both are equal. Clear? So we say that, clear? So we say that angle 2 is equal to angle 3. Clear? So alternate interior angles. Clear? Or alternate interior angles are equal, then say that AB parallel to CD. AB parallel to CD, hence proved. Clear?